All right, guys, we found our boys from P15 Motorsports, and tell me about this awesome gem.
Yeah, guys, this is a 73 F26 F250 highboy. We put some Super 60 axles under it, Snow Fighter front, 60 rear. Did some Atlas springs, Fox shocks, and then really finished out the interior with a full Pendleton insert.
Dope, man.
Yeah,
and the covers. They like match the truck, or the floor mats, I mean.
Oh yeah. So it's a just a Survivor 4x4 that we wanted to kind of take to the next level, make it drivable and enjoyable. We got it done 14 hours ago or so, and then took the 11-hour drive here, so we're a little tired.
Yeah.
We made it.
Cool. That's awesome, man. What do you think about the show? First time in Florida, or
first time in the Keys, actually?
Okay.
So, yeah, really cool. It's like so tropical. Like, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else right now.
Yeah,
it's really cool.
I kind of figured that's why Saul kind of decided for this like time. Is like a lot of guys are probably snowed right now, right?
Yeah, it was raining back home.
Snowy. So like,
that was no fun.
Like, hey, why don't we take a trip to sunny South Florida?
Yeah.
Here we are.
We're like, we got some axles, set of springs, shocks, wheels, tires. All right, a couple hours, go ahead.
Shocks.
2 days ago, we had axles out, transmission out, but got it all back together.
This is my favorite part. I love these toolboxes.
Oh yeah, you leave it down.
Yeah, look at that.
Just a little Atlas bag. We are in our test drive miles.
Yeah, for sure. You gotta have.
It was a rip around the block, load up on the trailer.
You gotta have
drove around the parking lot of the hotel.
Tool bag. You know, you never know.
Yeah.
Anything. Some stupid. You need a screwdriver. You know what I mean? You're like, got it.
Freaking true XLT, factory AC, 360, 4-speed. We got some power windows in it too.
Oh yeah?
Gauges.
Who's kid? Who's power window kid?
We ran the New Relics. We're a big fan of the New Relics.
I've been looking at them.
Yeah.
Do you know anyone that does like a full window conversion?
Like get rid of
the vent window. Gotta make it. Yeah.
It's a great idea though.
Yeah, because those things, half of them are like, they're always busted.
Yeah.
So.
And doing the gaskets on them is
sucks.
More of a nightmare than actually just replacing the whole window.
So replacing the door, I don't want to do any of that.
I hate doing it. So, yeah.